Pinag-aralan po ng provincial government of Pangasinan. However, nung tinignan po natin yung feasibility para po sa on a provincial level, we deem that it may affect the proper delivery of services, considering that the PGP is operating 14 hospitals. We have 7,000 employees delivering both frontline and back office services para po sa ating mga kababayan. Requiring or fully implementing a 4-day work week may hamper the delivery of services po sa ating mga kababayan. Even if it would entail maybe, sabihin nga natin, nagbabawas ng konti sa services na pwede natin offer, or mababawasan yung expenses natin sa resources, but it may compromise the delivery of services. So we opted that we shoulder or still carry the burden of higher cost of operations for as long as hindi po natin makompromiso yung delivery of proper service dito po sa